What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a futures day trade. Check it out. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump into this video here. As many of you know, I value the skills I've learned in that I can trade everything. I can trade everything. I trade everything. Ever since I started trading, in this journey, one of the very first things I wanted to do was, or one of the very first goals I should say that I set for myself was to learn to trade, to be a diverse trader. I wanted to be able not to only trade small caps, I wanted to trade mid caps, large caps. I wanted to trade options. I wanted to be able to be diverse. I didn't want to be what's known as a one-trick pony that just trades small cap low floats. Because I knew when I saw how things worked that everything had ups and downs. There's a period of time where low float small caps are straight garbage. They're nothing. You can't trade them. They have no volume, no follow through, quick pops and drops. There's just nothing there. And then there's times when that happens that large caps are popping off. Then there's times where options are really where it's at during earnings seasons and whatnot. Now, I've thankfully been able to learn to do all that, to trade everything. And you've seen it on my channel here. I trade everything from low float small caps to mid caps, large caps, options, and I even trade futures. I never even thought I'd trade futures, but I trade futures, okay? Because I always valued that. I valued that being a diverse trader, knowing a little bit about everything and being able to trade it all properly would be beneficial to me. And last week on Monday, all right, that was June 22nd, it was again proven to me how important it really is to be a diverse trader. Now, there's something else that's extremely important in trading and when you're watching YouTube, and that's smashing the like button, guys. That little button down there, when you turn it blue, it actually feeds the YouTube overlords that control the algorithm that make these channels pop up on your suggestion feed, right? And if you want to see more of this type of content, then I need you to smash that like button so that we can continue growing this channel. I don't know when this is going to air, but you know that once I reach 10,000 subscribers, and right now we're at over 8,300, I'm going to go ahead and do a free giveaway where I'm going to give away one lucky subscriber a fully funded trading account so they can start trading their trading journey. Okay, so I need your help. You need to smash the like button so more people see the channel. You need to comment in the comment section below, and you need to subscribe if you haven't. And I know a lot of you watch my videos, guys, because I see the analytics, and you continuously come back to watch my videos. Help me out here. Smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. That's how you can support this channel, as well as obviously looking at all the links in the description section below, like Webull, where you download the app, you fund your account with $100, and you get 2 free stocks valued between $1,200 to $1,400. And also you have my scanners and everything else down there. My Twitter, make sure you follow me on Twitter. It's down there as well. Make sure you click that and follow me on Twitter. Now, the importance of being a diverse trader, you have ups and downs in the market. There's a period of time where small caps are extremely red hot and they're nonstop making huge moves, and you can make big money. And there's time periods that can be very extensive sometimes where these small caps do nothing. They just pop and drop, pop and drop. They're great for shorters if you can get borrows on these on these little micro float, low float small caps, but for the long side, they're not working. So it becomes to where okay, the small caps aren't working, but all I can do is trade small caps. So all I gotta do now is either get chopped up here, lose a lot of money that I made while it was easy, or just sit on my hands and make no money. But mid caps are going off. Options are popping off, and you refuse to trade them. I never wanted to be that type of trader. I always wanted to be someone that can be okay, where's the money at now? Money's in mid caps. Boom, I'm gonna go over and trade some mid caps. That's always been my goal. And then last week on the 22nd of June, I didn't get to trade in the morning. I took one trade right before I left the house. I had to run down to the investment property. I took one trade on futures and I lost $60. That's it. I made no money that day. But when I came back home, just about my business normal. And then later at night, I went ahead and was brushing my teeth. And like I usually do when I'm brushing my teeth, I go on Twitter and I'm looking through Twitter, just, scrolling through, seeing everybody made money today, trading stocks and options, and I didn't get to trade. So I was kind of bitter about that. But then I see one tweet that stood out to me, and it was that the futures were actually taking a hit. Let me see if I can find the video. I'm going to show you because that's what we're going to go over here. Now, futures are taking a hit, and the ES had gone, this is not it. The ES had gone from 3,100, I want to say, to, we'll find it in a second, to like 3060. And it was all off the back of Navarro being interviewed, and he said that the China trade deals were deteriorating or were off. And the market did not like that. It just went swoop straight down. And I was brushing my teeth and I was like, oh, there's opportunity here. I stopped. I ran to my computer, guys. Like I told my wife, baby, I'm going to be right back. I got to run to my computer because I might have a shot at a trade here. And I just ran right out of our room, straight into my office, booted up everything, brought up the charts, and waited for a level, got short, made money. And we're going to go over that trade right here. And that's the importance of being a diverse trader. Would I not have the skills to be a diverse trader that day? It would have just been a little $60 red day. And, from the quick little morning garbage trade I took, instead of being a real nice big day, like a good day, a solid green day. All right. I made $350 on that trade like this. Wait, there we go. That sounded better. Just like that trade was. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that trade here. Let me grab the recording. Let's see here. Is it this one? Why can I not find it now? There it is. There it is. Perfect. So let's make this smaller. Boom. Whoops. Disappeared. Magician. All right. So right here you can see this is my entry. Okay. I'm in just one ES, not the MES. This is the ES. So each 1 point move is the equivalent of $50. You can see here how we just crashed from 3120. Boom. Underneath 30. Oh, wait. Right to 3060 actually. Okay. Right to 3060. And what I was waiting for was a quick pop back up to this 3082 area where I could get short, okay, and ride another drop. I thought to myself two things. I had two plans here. One was this entry with the stop above 3082, okay. I'm in at 37,950, so I'm only giving up like a point and a half, okay. Well, no, actually 2.5 points or so. So that would be my stop, 3082.50. And then my target was 3070, this previous bounce zone. So I had a shot here for at least 8 to 9 points. At least 8 to 9 points. At $50 a point, boom, right? So this is only a 3-minute trade. Mind you, I was on the computer for 10 minutes. I had just ran over from brushing my teeth. I have that one contract there, and I'm looking to see if we can get that dump. So fast forward a little bit here. We're holding that 3070.50 area. We're holding that 3070.50. Now, I know I'm ready to bail on this if it goes against me, because I know a manipulation can come in any second. And after I made my profit and turned it off, guys, this thing bounced right back up here. Like, we're gonna get the drop, I'm gonna take profit, I'm gonna close off everything, and I go back to brushing my teeth and getting ready for bed. And I don't know, 10 minutes later, it was right back up here. When Navarro came back out on the air and said, or on Twitter or wherever he posted it, he said, no, that's not what I meant. Somebody pulled his ear. So we'll see here. Now remember, this is my stop and this is my target, 3070. Obviously I would have preferred 3060. And the only way I would have gotten down here is if we just got a huge flush. But I'm looking at 3070 because it was this bounce zone here, or bounce zone here. All right, so it's showing support there. I'm not interested in fighting against support. Fast forward a little bit there. All right, so right there, we got a little quick dip. I'm in 3079.50. You see it there. I'm up $162 on it. But I'm looking for that break. I know that if we break 30.75, we should at least go down here to 30.72. I know that for at least. You can see lots of selling pressure starting to step in. There's a lot of buying, but look at all that selling stepping in every single time. We get a quick little bounce. We get, boom, a lot of selling pressure coming in. Right there, boom, we're up 175 bucks. But you know that I don't trade my P&L, so I'm not even watching that. I'm watching the chart and the tape. Very, very important for me in futures trading. Look at all that selling pressure starting to roll in. More buying. It's like a huge battle, a huge battle. Any break to either side here is going to cause, you know, a bigger move. So there we go. We got more red and green coming into the tape. That's all I'm looking for. I'm looking for color. That's my telltale. Let's fast forward right there. Look at that. Right when we get that pop there, you see that pop? Yeah, you see that pop right there. Boom. Right to my entry. I'm only up 25 bucks now. And then watch what happens. Look at the tape. Boom. All that red. I was like, let's go. Let's go. I was super confident right then and there. Now, right there, we're getting back down here at 30.75. I'm up again, $175. The weakness is starting to come in. I'm up 200 bucks. I was up 200 there for a second. It gets bopped right back up, but look at all the selling pressure every single time. Every single time. And here we go. Look at all the selling pressure starting to come back in again. Boom, more sells. Tries to pop back up. Boom, more sells. You saw that? And then we get the little quick flush. I'm up 250 bucks right there. And then look at that, boom, 325 bucks. I put out an order and bang, get filled right there, $350. That was my win. That's 7 points. I'll take that any day. I closed it up, went back, brushed my teeth, went to bed. The importance of being a diverse trader, guys. Now, if you're interested, I have a link in the description section there, and you can find this trading software that I use with this broker, which is called Optimus, and the software is Optimus Flow. It is awesome. I love it. Like, you can literally trade right off of the chart if you want to. It's great. I have another video on it. I'm going to make more videos here in the future on it. Check that out. Link in the description section below. Any questions, ask me. You can drop it in the comment section. I'll let you know who you can talk to over there. That'll help you out tremendously. Smash that like button for me. I hope you enjoyed this video and understand the importance of being a diverse trader, and I'll catch you on the next one.